Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the op-amp circuit given. If the voltages V minus and V plus are to be amplified by the same factor, the value of R should be. We are going to calculate the value of R such that this V minus and V plus are going to be amplified by the same factor. Okay, so the problem can be solved in this way. So first we will go with only V minus, and what is the amplification factor we will find, and next we are going to find the V plus as going to be the input, and amplification factor we will find, and we will make equal of both the things, because after amplification both should be same, so that we will equate those two things. Then we are going to find out the value of R. Okay, so you can think in this way. So that is, a given circuit has been considered as if you are applying only V plus and if you are applying only V minus. So by this time, if you are observing this, it is acting as inverting op amp. In inverting op amp, gain of this one is minus RF by R1. RF is feedback impedance, that is 22 kilo ohms, R1 is 10 kilo ohms. So minus RF divided by R1. This is minus 22 divided by 10k, which is minus 2.2. And if you are considering only V plus, at that time this act as non-inverting op amp. Non-inverting mode op amp. Non-inverting mode op amp gain is equal to, okay, here V0 for non-inverting op amp will be written like this: 1 plus RF divided by R1 times of V plus. V plus is nothing but, actually it is not this one, it is effective non-inverting terminal. You can write like this: the voltage at non-inverting input. In non-inverting op amp mode, the op amp will amplify the signal present at non-inverting terminal will be amplified by 1 plus RF by R1 times. So you must know about the signal present over this point. So this is V non-inverting, can be written in this way: V non-inverting is nothing but R divided by R plus 15 into V plus. So if you are going with gain, at that time V0 can be now written as V0 is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1 into R divided by R plus 15 into V plus. Gain is going to be treated as, gain is equal to 1 plus 2.2 is 3.2 R divided by 3.2 R divided by R plus 15. This is equation 2 and it is equation 1. Since both has to be amplified by the same factor, equation 1 must be same as equation 2. So 3.2 R divided by R plus 15 is equal to 2.2. We are only considering the magnitude. So if you simplify this expression, R, you are going to be getting it as R is equal to 33 kilo ohms. So if you choose R value as 33 kilo ohms, then the input present at V plus as well as V minus will be amplified by the same factor. So the right answer for this question is R value is 33 kilo ohms. 33 kilo ohms. Thank you.